TCO Trade and Development Bank, ETDB, and leaders of the Turkish business community. In an address to the business leaders at an event organized by Foreign Economic Relations Board of Turkey, the Prime Minister highlighted the investment opportunities in Pakistan, especially in food processing, hospitality, construction, IT services, and e-commerce. He expressed confidence that the recently signed trade in goods agreement will trigger higher volumes of bilateral trade. Pakistan and Turkey are close friends and partners and will continue to maintain robust dialogue and engagement at all levels. As you know, the Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ms. Hina Rabbani Kar, undertook a one-day visit to Afghanistan on 29th November 2022. In Kabul, she held meetings with Amir Khan Muttaqi, Acting Foreign Minister, Abdul Salam Hanafi, Deputy Prime Minister, Shahabuddin Dilawar, Minister for Mines and Petroleum, and Haji Nuruddin Azizi, Commerce Minister of the Afghan Interim Government. During the visit, she discussed a range of bilateral issues, including cooperation in education, health, agriculture, trade and investment, regional connectivity, people-to-people contacts, and socio-economic projects. Matters related to regional security were also discussed. During her engagements, the Minister of State for Foreign Affairs reaffirmed Pakistan's commitment to a peaceful, prosperous, stable, and connected Afghanistan. She underscored that the two countries were not only tied by bonds of religion, culture, and history, but their futures were also intrinsically linked. Pakistan therefore had a natural stake in peace and stability in Afghanistan. During the last 20 years, Pakistan has continued to follow this policy. The Minister of State also highlighted the need for practical engagement, especially in the areas of trade, commerce, connectivity, and socio-economic development. Both sides had similar views on enhanced regional connectivities, including projects such as CASA 1000 and Tapi gas pipeline project. There was shared intention to enhance bilateral economic trade and transit trade. The Minister